I'm going to show you how to fix the DISM error 87, also known as cleanup image option is unknown. I'm going to give you two different solutions depending on whether you're actually able to boot Windows, so you're using your computer as normal, or if you're at the recovery screen and you're not able to load Windows. So if you're in Windows, the first thing you need to do is open up your search bar and type in services. From here, scroll all the way down until you find Windows Modules Installer. Right click on that and then hit properties. From here, startup type, you want to select that to be automatic, then click apply. Then if the service is stopped, just click start and then wait for that to start. Then click OK. Then once that's done, open up CMD again and see if that has fixed your issue. As you can see, I do not have a problem. So if you're unable to actually get into Windows and you're in Windows recovery, but able to bring up the command prompt, the first thing you'll need to know is what directory your Windows installation is installed. I think for the majority of people, that will be on the C drive. But obviously, if it's not on the C drive, just replace any C you see with either D or E, etc., etc. So the first thing you need to do is paste this prompt in. I'll actually paste this in the comments below. Once that's done, paste this command. The key difference being that it's forcing it to look for a specific drive rather than /online. At this point, if you're still getting error 87, it's likely that your DISM is probably too old and that you need to boot from a newer Windows 10 or 11 recovery USB. If this video helps you, please consider giving it a like.